Hello everyone, it's good to connect with you again on video. Today we're going to talk about learning styles. So I've got a couple of videos that I want to show you and talk you through. So you'll be watching video on video. And so we're going to get started here with this first video.
Welcome to Visual, Auditory, and Kinesthetic Learning Styles and Awesome Animation by Lorena Bull. The VAK learning styles uses the three main sensory receivers, visual, auditory, and kinesthetic, which refers to movement or doing. Although technically part of kinesthetic, T is sometimes added for tactile or touch. Visual learners come in two types. One type prefers learning through written language, so they do best with reading and writing tasks. For example, they need to write down directions when they're going somewhere unfamiliar. The other type of visual learners don't do as well with written language, preferring other types of visuals like demonstrations, charts, and videos. They're able to visualize where they're going, so they don't need to write directions. Auditory learners prefer discussions or recordings they can listen to, as they may struggle with reading and writing. They may read aloud and talk to themselves. Kinesthetic learners prefer to learn through movement and touch because they need external stimulation to keep them concentrated. Their note-taking strategies often include doodling, diagrams, and use of highlighter markers. While learners use all three learning styles to receive and learn new information, one or two of these styles is usually dominant. But this could change depending on the task, say preferring a combination of styles for one task and a different style for another. Our learning style is often forced upon us through life like this. From kindergarten through third grade, new information is presented kinesthetically. Grades 4 to 8 are visually presented, while grade 9 through college and beyond is primarily auditory through lectures. According to VAK theorists, information should be presented using all three styles to allow all learners the opportunity to become engaged. So how do you learn best? Go to the link below to take the VAK Learning Styles survey.
All right, so we are not going to do that link, but we are going to do another survey here a little bit later on in the lesson. So you saw there they talked about visual, auditory, and kinesthetic or tactile learners. Those are generally speaking the three types of learners, and not always, like you heard in the video, they're not always totally separate. And you may have taken a survey before to see what kind of learner you are. And you may be surprised to see that that can change. So when you take a survey today, you may see that your result is different than the last time you took a survey. And that is okay. That just means that you're growing and evolving as a person. And if it doesn't change, that doesn't mean anything negative about you at all. It just means that you are a certain kind of learner through and through, and that's just really how you learn. All right, so we're going to watch another video. I'm going to minimize myself here. And this one just has some movie examples of different learning styles in action, quite literally in action. See if you can guess the movie as it's going.
Paying attention? Yeah. You watching it? Yeah. You seeing that, Ray? You catching it?
Yeah, falling on
Yeah?
the ground.
Okay, now what do I have left?
2 jacks, 1 8, 1 king, 1 6. 2 aces, 1 10, 1 9, 1 5.
1 5. You are beautiful, man.
All right, so that was a movie called Rain Man from the 80s, and Tom Cruise realizes his little brother, or older brother, I guess I should say, in the movie, has this incredible gift to be able to learn things and catch things visually. So he is, and there's Addison popping in on my video. Hey, Addison. So Tom Cruise decides to take his brother to Vegas to make money off of him, which is not a really kind thing to do. All right, let's watch this next clip.
focus on Kung Fu. When you concentrate, you stink. But perhaps that is my fault. I cannot train you the way I have trained the five. I now see that the way to get through to you is with this.
Oh, great, because I'm hungry.
You are free to eat. Enjoy.
Hey!
I said you are free to eat. Have a dumpling.
All right, so that was the tactile learner from Kung Fu Panda. I'm sure more of you knew that movie than the first movie. And the panda is not able to just learn it from trying to see someone else do it or hear about it. He's got to experience it for himself, and he's got to have a reason to go for it. So he really wants that dumpling, and that is what motivates him to learn well. All right, the last one here for auditory learners.
You see that flame? Every time you pronounce the letter H correctly, the flame will waver, and every time you drop your H, the flame will remain stationary. That's how you'll know if you've done it correctly. In time, your ear will hear the difference. See it better in the mirror. Now, listen carefully. In Hertford, Hereford, and Hampshire, hurricanes hardly ever happen. Now, repeat that after me. In Hertford, Hereford, and Hampshire, hurricanes hardly ever happen.
In Hertford, Hereford, and Hampshire, hurricanes hardly ever happen.
Oh, no. I haven't no ear at all.
Shall I do it over?
No, please. Start from the very beginning. Just do this. Go ha, 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 ha.
Ha, 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 ha.
All right, that last one is from a movie called My Fair Lady. And she is working with her speech therapist on getting her H sounds correct. So you can see she's working as an auditory learner, trying to hear things really well and put them into practice. All right, so these are the different types of learning styles. We're gonna do a survey, and then I'm gonna put up another video leading you through the survey and then what to do after the survey. All right, thank you all. We'll talk soon.